This here is the installation on a 2010 Chevy Cobalt door lock switch. Mine's busted out, I don't know how. And this is a brand new one I replaced. One I'm about to replace. And this is a 2010 Chevy Cobalt LT. Tools you'll need: screwdriver, Phillips, and flathead. I already removed the old plastic that was covering the screws. This one's busted, and I bought a brand new one when I bought the new lock switch. So this is the installation. Here we go. First of all, we got two Phillips screws that we must remove first. It's a little dark out here, sorry folks. I'm doing this the last minute. Now these two screws are out. You just kind of pull them out. Pull them off to the side, take them out. Don't lose them. Put them up on the dash. And then now you just pull this right out. Now, mine find the plug here. Here it is. So we just take this one here. As you can see, design, common sense. You don't want to put it this way, you want to put it this way. Just take it. Just gonna put the camera down for a minute. Pop it in place. Gent push and it's in place. Now you take this wire here. You just install it right here in this little hole. It's a little dark. It's really simple. Pop that in there like that. And then close the door. As you can tell, window switch works. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Lock. Unlock. Very simple, folks. And reinstallation is that simple. You just slide it in as so. Push it in the hole. Install